KoocinayPH. Easy recipe ideas every day. For today's recipe, fluffy pancakes. Soft, light, and perfect for breakfast. Ingredients: 1 1/4 cups milk, 1 large egg, 3 tablespoons melted butter plus extra for cooking, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, optional, 1 1/2 cups all-purpose flour, 3 1/2 teaspoons baking powder. Tip: cook on medium-low heat for extra fluffy pancakes. Instructions: mix wet ingredients. In a bowl, whisk together milk, egg, melted butter, and vanilla extract until smooth. Combine with dry ingredients. In another bowl, mix flour and baking powder. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, stirring until just combined. Small lumps are okay. Cook the pancakes. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and lightly grease with butter. Pour 1/4 cup batter per pancake. Cook 2 to 3 minutes until bubbles form on top, then flip and cook another 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown. Serve. Stack, drizzle with syrup, and enjoy fluffy, soft, golden pancakes. Save this recipe. Like, share, and subscribe to KoocinayPH.